Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you're using Claude but feel like you're only getting basic answers, you're not using it to its full potential. In 2026, Claude is way more powerful than just a chatbot. It can help you study faster, write better, and analyze data, and even think more clearly. And in today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use Claude effectively, step by step, so you actually get smart, useful results every time. So let's start by following these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to access Claude AI. So you're going to click on the Claude AI after you search for it and make sure to necessarily log into your account. You have to have an account so it can store your data, your informations, the best, so it can learn from your informations, the informations that you give him. Once you log in with your account, now you have to know to be clear and specific. Claude works best when your prompt is detailed. Instead of saying help me study, you're gonna pass the topic. For example, you're gonna upload the topic by clicking on the plus button here, and you're gonna upload the course or something, and you're gonna ask him to explain this topic. For example, explain like the first law of Newton. Law of Newton. It's like this. I'm gonna correct this typo right here, and I'm gonna hit enter. And as you can see here, it will help you. So you gotta be specific. Clear instructions equal better answer. As you can see, this is called, it gave me an explanation of the Newton's first law, like this, detailed. You can ask him questions, follow-up questions, etc. Second thing you want to do is to give context. Always tell Claude who you are and what you need. For example, your level, students, beginner, professional. Your goal is to prepare for an exam, content creation, or coding help. And the more context you give, the smarter Claude becomes. As you can see, I'm going to say a college student, like this. And it will explain this depending on this level right here, like this. So you're going to ask for structure. Claude is amazing at structured output. You can ask for step-by-step guides, bullet points, tables, summaries, and conclusions. And this saves time and make answers easier to understand. Also, you can iterate and refine. Don't stop at the first answer. You can always say make this shorter, like make the explanation shorter. Explanation shorter. Shorter, like this. And it will give you a shorter explanation. You can use Claude for brainstorming ideas, ask it to check your work, use follow-up questions instead of new chats. Now, Claude is not just about asking questions, it's about asking the right way. When you give context, structure, and clear goals, Claude becomes one of the most powerful productivity tools you can use in 2026. And if you like this video and found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.